Hello, dear parents and students. I just wanted to let you know some of the things that you are going to find in our how to find the learning plan and some of the things that you need to do. So, first of all, you have to go to your class story. Within that class story, you're going to find this PDF, and when you see, you touch it with your mouse, or it's going to show like a little hand, then you click on that. So it is going to take you to another tab. Within that, you're going to find different activities during this week that you need to be completing. One of the things that you need to do on Monday, you can alternate Spanish reading, English reading, Spanish reading, um, and English reading. So you have to alternate on that. So one of the things is you're going to be able to, for Spanish, you click on here, and then it's going to take you to a different place. And one of the things when you get here, if you have any questions, or if and I can answer that. So this is a document. If you click on that document, um, you are going to be able to write and type in here whatever is your question, and I'm going to try to answer those questions. So this is for you to just ask me if you have any questions or concerns. Going back to the Spanish, this is the kids. They used to do this and activities in the classroom, so they know this by heart. So make sure that they practice in their Spanish. So ask them to read this to tell you those. They already know by memory. One of the things that I wanted to point out is that, and here is for students that are learning more Spanish, and here is for the beginners. If your student is reading, you can ask them, and then if they're reading and to blue and above, try to see if they can do this activity. If it is too hard, you can have them do this activity. So this is activities for students that are speak Spanish and families are Spanish speaking. Oh, some of them they're more advanced. This is their activity that they're going to do. So on this left side. So they're going to go and click on that, and then they're going to go into a YouTube video. In this YouTube video, it is going to explain what is an informative writing, so how to write informative um, pieces. So they need to be reading in bookshelf in Spanish. They can also select Epic, and then this is what they need to do. So they need to find, they're going to be writing 5 interesting facts and some of the books that they are reading, and they have to take a picture, and then they have to write complete sentences with capitals at the beginning, spaces, periods, and legible. Some students are not writing really clear, so make sure that they're doing that. So right here, they have to go in another link and enlace, which is like they're going to go and watch another video, and then they have to go outside and look at some of the insects, and then they have to take a picture and then upload it. Also, there is a game that they can just go and click at that game. So it is a memory game, so that this is going to help them with vocabulary. So they can just say you can have 5 cards, so then they can count up if they want to do it, so that they can just go and select. They're going to find my name is, and they have to go do it in Spanish, so they kind of read it and see if it makes sense. So this is one of the things that they can do. Another thing is they're going to be able to read this and then answer the questions. Once they read it, they can take a picture, answer those questions, and take a picture. This is for students that are very beginners. There is also a video that I posted, and one of the things that I explained that they have to go and write this sentence, and under the sentence they can copy the sentence, and then they have to kind of match pictures and maybe labeling or writing what it means in English, and they can write a sentence in Spanish. They know that if they mix a word in one word in English, they know that that is their level and that is okay. So make sure that they're writing words in Spanish. They can label, and then ask them to teach you, because we did this in class. Another thing is like they have to be able to write. This is an icon for writing. This is a book. That means that I put a picture on that, and they have to be writing 2 sentences. And they need to find 2 facts, and they can write 2 sentences about an insect, and they can find a book and they can copy from the book, and then so they have to take a picture and post it on portfolio. They also can watch this video and then they're going to go outside and take a picture of a bug. So they have to look for one. So they can also do this game and make sure that if you select 3 by 4 so that they're not that many. So they can read this and try to figure it out. This is for details and things like that. So this is what they need to be doing for Spanish. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I wanted to let you know that this is inside of the Class Dojo and Class Story. Thank you for watching me. And if you have any questions, I'm always here to help you. Have a fantastic day. I miss you, kids. Remember, practica español en tu casa. Hasta pronto.